Hello blushers, this is Parmita and today I'm going to save you a lot of time because we are going to learn the easiest ways to edit your pictures fast. Welcome to Blush with me. Picture editing can make the most ordinary pictures look extraordinary. You click pictures every day, from vacation to special occasions to selfies. But it is your picture editing that can make them even more memorable. It makes people want to stop and look at your pictures on Instagram or on Facebook or click that like button, that save button, that share button. They want to read more about your business or about you. Do you agree that stunning pictures intrigue and attract your clientele or people that you want to impress? For all these reasons, editing your pictures is extremely important. Stay with me till the end of this video to see how quickly I can transform this picture from this to this. Very often I see people making this mistake when you're trying to edit your pictures on some of these apps out there. You land up over softening your skin, or you land up adding extra texture, making the final result look harsh or sometimes overexposed or blown out. There's a lot of guessing game going on as to what effect will really work, but editing pictures on my laptop gives me more control over the final result, especially with Luminar 4.3. Luminar has completely transformed the editing game by using artificial intelligence in editing your pictures. Yes, artificial intelligence in editing pictures. I can literally edit a picture from this to this or this to this in not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Thank you Luminar for sponsoring this video. You guys can click on the link below to get $25 off on Luminar. So instead of $89, my viewers can now get it for just $64. There's also a link for you to try Luminar absolutely free for 7 days. Get it. I seriously suggest get it and enjoy the endless ways to edit your pictures creatively. Once you see today's video, I bet you will want to try Luminar for yourself. With photo editing, there is no limit to the effects that can be brought about in a simple photograph. So in this video, I'm going to be keeping my language pretty simple and easy for you to understand without the technical photography or professional editing jargon. Now that you have seen some before and after, I want to show you step-by-step process of how I edit this picture. If I have your attention, then let's begin. But before that, please hit that subscribe button. Click on my Luminar. So this is already open, but it's very simple to get new images. Just click on this plus sign and you can get any images. So say if I click here, I can go to any of my folders and just click any image to start editing. So I picked this image already that I wanted to show you. Another reason I love this is because you can literally just go to your photos, pick any pictures on your phone. For instance, if I want to edit this picture, I just click on this, go to edit with and go to Luminar. It'll open in Luminar. So all the pictures that are on my phone can instantly be edited on Luminar. That's how simple it is. But anyway, let's get on with this image. So I'll show you how easy it is to edit with Luminar. Say if this is what I want to post on Instagram, I would first want to edit it in the right size. So let me just go crop and okay, so if this is the size I want to keep myself around this edge. So rule of third. So I will be here. So you see I instantly got rid of these people here that I don't want, and that is my crop size for Instagram. Now I just need to get rid of these people before I can edit and create the results I want. I click on erase. Now this is how simple it is. It literally like precisely picks what needs to be edited. Let's see with just this one what happens. You see that? It is perfect. And you can't even tell that there was a person there, because usually if you try to edit this much on a phone, on an app, it becomes extremely difficult to go around that subject or object and make it look natural. You will end up having traces of background that you don't want, or it's never perfect. But this is all artificial intelligence, so it just never leaves a trace. It's just beautiful editing. It's super easy. Now imagine if I had to do this on Photoshop or on any app, it would take me easily 20 to 25 minutes to just get rid of those subjects. Now this is a clean image. Now let's jump into something fun. Okay, so now I am here. You see, I clicked on this part. This is the creative edit. I'm going to go on sky replacement. Now click on sky replacement. You see my sky is overexposed. It's just gray, cloudy, no colors. I can click on any sky and it just gives me beautiful sky. I love this. This is so much fun. Even my kids love to play and edit and suggest. It's that simple. So this is blue, this is bright blue. I'm just giving you ideas to what can look natural. And notice it doesn't just change the color of the sky, but if the sky is warm, it instantly makes the whole image look much warmer as well. So it looks natural, right? Look at this. So there is so much you can do. You can add a dramatic sky. You can add more. See, it just warmed me. It gave me that little greenish warm hue. Let's try something different. I just want to take you through a few more dramatic skies. Like this looks too much. This may not be the right dramatic sky, but there are a ton of options. And the reason you saw I took a picture of this sky here is because I can actually download my own sky and see it. You can see here. Load custom sky image. So if I want a sky that I have shot, I can just easily add it to this image as well. But there's just so much you can do. Okay, so for now, I think we will stick with something more natural. Either this. I like these clouds. These are nice. Now that's not it. Hit the advanced setting and you can actually like close gaps to make this seamless. It literally blends in with the horizon to look as natural as possible. Sky local, there's a lot you can do. So sky defocus, if you don't want the sky to be in focus. Now notice my water here is out of focus. Now this would look unnatural if the clouds were completely in focus, sharp. So I'm going to make them a little bit out of focus, and that will also bring me more in focus. That's it. Now if you want the sky to look a little bit warmer, you can always add the warmth to it. Ooh, I like that. It actually blends better with the water when I make it warm. So there's so much you can do. If you think the sky is overexposed, you can reduce that. You can increase it however you like it. But I think I'm good with this here somewhere. Okay, this is good. Now, if I want, I can even add some sun rays to this. Okay, so see, that's ooh, I like it. It's like hiding behind somewhere. Advanced. So when you hit the penetration, it can increase or decrease the size of the sun penetration. Number of rays. How many rays do you want? Few, more, however you want it to be. And you see, it still looks very natural. It's never overdone. That's why all of this is, you'll notice, AI, artificial intelligence. It is doing all the thinking and processing for you. Okay, sun warmth. Do I want it to be warmer? Yes, I would like it to be warmer. I would like the sun rays to be warmer too. Let's see the difference between before and after. Already a huge difference. All right, so let's play around with it a little bit more. Right now I'm talking, so it's taking a little bit longer. Now this is up to me. Like, I can go around playing as much as I want. If you want, you can literally be done at this stage. So this was my quick edit with Luminar. I know a lot of you want to know how I edit these kind of portraits within minutes. It's super simple as well. Stick around. I'm going to tell you how I take my pictures and edit. All of that coming up soon. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to see how I edit, how I take my own pictures, how I edit them, all of that and more coming soon. And don't forget to download Luminar because this is literally a time saver. Look at this. This happened within minutes. Minutes. I shot this picture in a cave. It was pretty dark, and yet I could sharpen it and boost the colors and sharpen the whole image on Luminar. This is yet again one of my favorite pictures of our family. It is so hard to get good family pictures. You cannot escape people and subjects and small things that completely disrupt the picture and make you feel like you can't put it up on your walls and you can't frame them. But once you have these very basic, super easy skills to edit your pictures, then no picture is a bad picture. I edit not just portraits but also a lot of landscapes. Look at this picture. The colors, the vibrance, I mean, there is no limit to how creative you can get with Luminar. Look at this, like creativity is limitless. I did not even add the clouds to this. I just added some warmth and just very few basic edits, and that's what you get. This was yet another image that I liked. It was shot on iPhone. It was blurry, it was dark, it wasn't sharp at all. The background was just blah, just white. And here I just added more structure to it, the background, the sunlight, just overall a different effect. And then it's super simple. I just basically took this image, go to adjustment, copy these adjustments, and then came to this image and just pasted the adjustments to get the same effect on this picture. I haven't yet completed edit on some of these pictures, but I just want to show you with just one quick copy and paste, you can get one effect to move from one picture to as many images as you may want. So let me know what you want to see next. Do you want to see landscapes? Do you want to see portraits, travel pictures, family pictures, black and white? I mean, there is no end to creativity. That's how simple it can be to achieve the desired realistic results. Because when you take an image, it is very hard to ensure that that picture will naturally have everything to make it a striking image. For instance, in this image, I liked everything about it, my outfit, the colors, but the sky just looked dead, like it was dull, there was no color in the sky. It is impossible for me to achieve these kind of realistic results this quickly anywhere else. I have tried some of the other platforms and I know how complicated it can be. Question of the week for you is, let me know which video do you want to see next. How to edit a bad selfie and turn it into a good one in just 5 steps. Or how I take my own pictures myself. I am Parmita, Chicago-based image coach and photographer. If you want to work with me, check out my website, plushwithme.com. I have started taking social distancing outdoor photo shoots in Chicago. So if you're in and around Chicago, reach out. If you're new to my channel, then check out my videos and other playlists on my channel, Blush with Me Parmita. Also look me up on my other social media handles, Instagram, Facebook fan page, and TikTok. I would love to see you follow me there too. Links to try Luminar free for 7 days and buy it are all in the description below. I cannot wait to see how amazing your pictures turn out. If you post your images on Instagram or anywhere, tag me and Luminar as well, so we can see your images too. Thank you so much for your constant support and for always being there to blush with me.